Turn the volume down. What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to everybody for pulling up, man. Pull up, pull up. This for my members only, man. I got, we here to answer all y'all questions, whatever questions y'all got about today. Let's get them out, man. We ain't got nobody in here, so we're going to give it a couple minutes. But shout out to the members, though. Shout out to y'all. We got a lot of exciting things coming. I got my own website coming really soon, so y'all will be able to get access to that if y'all are YouTube members. So stay tuned, man. We got a lot of exciting things on the way, man. Salute to y'all, man. We coming live from the BMW i8. Salute, salute, salute. This is the place to be. If you like learning how to make money through cryptocurrency, and I'm talking about like for real, like not just talking about it, but one of them people that really do it, then you need to be tapping in with the channel, man. Salute, salute. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. Run them likes up. Run those likes up. We almost got 50 people in here with only 8 likes, man. Run them up, man. Salute, salute. Salute. This is members only. Actually, this ain't, I didn't even, you know what? Y'all got lucky. Y'all got lucky. I didn't even set it to members only. So a few of y'all finna be able to slide in. Y'all lucky. Y'all lucky. This one gonna be a little bit shorter. I'm gonna have to do another one for my members only. But some of y'all slid in. Salute to y'all though. I appreciate y'all for pulling up anyway. Run those likes up. If y'all get the likes up, we'll stay in this live stream a little bit longer. If y'all don't run those likes up, I'm gonna skirt up out of here and I'm gonna go pull up on my members only. You know what I'm saying? Salute, 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 salute. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, man. Shout out to all y'all, man. Let's see who all we got in the build, man. Shout out to Excuseless Athletic Baseball Club. I got to tap in with y'all, man. I'm still going to come tap in. Send me another message if you can on Instagram, man, so I can, get some more info on y'all. Come check y'all out. Shout out to Delusional. Shout out to Rudy C1331. Shout out to Baller. Shout out to Athel. Shout out to Royan. Shout out to Anthony, Cecilia. Shout out to Ivan. Shout out to K-Man Cash. Shout out to Outlaw. Shout out to Ren Black. Shout out to Farron Webster. Shout out to Javion. Shout out to Michi. Shout out to FTMG Boy. Shout out to Chris Tucker. Shout out to Peppermint T. Shout out to Joseph Smith. Shout out to AP. Shout out to let's see. Salute, salute, salute. Salute, salute, salute everybody. Shout out to Fatso. Shout out to those that just got the course. We just had a couple people grab the course right now. I just got the notification. Salute. Appreciate y'all. Shout out to Joshua. Shout out to We Are Free. Shout out to Soul. Shout out to Tony. Hey, I got a special announcement. Today, I'm going to extend my Black Friday sale for today only. If you did not get the course, I recommend you get it today. Today is the last day to take advantage of the Black Friday sale. If you did not, the price will be full price after today, man. I'm trying to plug as many people as possible. I'm trying to get as many people as possible in so that way y'all can, take advantage of the discount and pay less money for the course. Now, even if you end up getting the course at full price, it is still 100% worth it. But I would just like y'all to be able to take advantage of this discount that we got going on right now. So tap in with me via email. Please be aware of the scammers. The scammers are trying to finesse y'all and trying to pretend to be me. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to be wise. So salute. Salute, salute, salute. Shout out to everybody coming through. Shout out to Bullish, I think that's Bullish Crypto, man, for the $10 super chat. Appreciate you. He said #1 fan, man. Hey, shout out to all my fans, my supporters, those that really rock with me, man. I really, really appreciate y'all. All 3 of my courses are on discount today, the last day. Now, no cap, my courses sell like hotcakes, $2,500 each. Right now, you can get 60% off. Today is the last day. You can get my course for $1,000. Hey, that number might sound high to some people, but those that have taken my course, learned this information that is inside of there, they are making a lot more money than that. If you had to spend, it's just an investment. You got to invest in your education. Think about it. You go to college, you pay a tuition, you learn, you make even more money from graduating. This education that I'm providing inside of my course is like 1,000 times cheaper than a traditional college education, and you will make more money if you put this information to use. I'm making way more money. My degree, I majored in marketing in college. I'm making more than everybody that was in my class. I make more than all my teachers. I make more than everybody that was in my entire class. You know what I'm saying? It's not like to brag. It's not to like, saying I'm better than anybody or anything like that. That's just saying if I can do it, y'all can do it too. If I can do it, y'all can do it too. This is no cap, y'all. This is through crypto. I got a lot of new things I want to teach all about as well. I want to get into real estate as well. I want to get into NFTs more. We're going to talk about a lot of things. A lot of y'all are also leaving a lot of money on the table when it comes to investing in the stock market. If y'all already know how to invest in crypto and y'all using some of these things to make money in crypto, you could be applying those same tactics into the stock market to build your long-term wealth. I want to see y'all having separate portfolios. I want to see y'all having long-term, portfolios, short-term portfolios where you can use to make money and, take gains from. But I want to see y'all building overall, to get to that point of financial freedom. And without these courses, without you furthering your education on your own, it's going to be hard for you to do that. So take advantage of this course. Email me ASAP. Email me ASAP if you are serious. Shout out to y'all that's reaching out. I will hit y'all as soon as this is over with. Y'all that got the course, appreciate y'all. But it's still a lot more of y'all that need to take y'all investment to the next level. Somebody said, gotta diversify crypto, stocks, and separate accounts. Of course, that is extremely smart. You want to do that because a lot of my, new subscribers and people like that, they tell me that, they have, they fallen for scams. They fallen for people telling them that they could double their crypto and things like that, and accidentally gave away their private key, and they had their accounts compromised. And a lot of people had all their, the Shiba Inu that they've been working to build up this whole time. A lot of people had their Shiba Inu stolen from them. Well, they pretty much gave it away by giving away their, their key phrase. Always protect your key phrase. Always protect yourself. Do not, put all your eggs in one basket, because if anything accidentally happens or some hacker, scam, or whatever, you don't want to give up everything that you work so hard to build. So that's what I try to teach y'all, throughout these videos, to have, separate nest eggs as well. So, someone said, and with all these rug pulls, the community needs it. Yes, definitely, for sure. Definitely. It's a lot of, your seed phrase, but it's a lot of, rug pull scams, things like that going on. And you can only, do your due diligence to the best of your ability and only not risk more than you're willing to lose. So that way that you don't, risk yourself into a rug pull. Because yes, you can check the contract for things like the contract being renounced. So that way the developers can't change the contracts, turn off the selling features and things like that. But at the end of the day, if you're dealing with a dishonest developer, they can rug pull us, they can finesse us anyway. So that's why I always tell y'all to never put in more than you're willing to lose, just in case. Of course, you always have that, time where you knocked it out the park with a play and you're saying, I wish I would have invested more. But you rather be saying you wish you would have invested more than, you invested more than you could have risked, and then you got rug pulled, or you invested into some type of scam project. Salute. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to Fanny Crypto. Shout out to Tillery. Shout out to everybody that's been following me, man. I definitely appreciate y'all. Yes, it's best to write your seed phrase in a book on a piece of paper, stored in a safety deposit box, something like that. Get it somewhere where it's secure, where nobody can, hack you or take advantage of your money. Like, you got to understand, y'all, the average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Crypto is just one way to make money. Stocks are just one way to make money. But when you combine all these different ways, you start to see something magical happen. It's called financial freedom. Once you're bringing in, passively the amount of money of your monthly expenses, something magical starts to happen. I'm trying to teach y'all, how to build up your portfolio, trying to teach y'all, how to recognize different plays that, are valuable early still. Sometimes some of these plays take a little bit of time. Like, if any of y'all are inside my Discord group, Y'all know we've been on fire, knocking it out the park with those plays. My Discord is a paid private group. Y'all know I still give out free plays. You don't have to pay for anything on this channel. You don't have to pay for anything on the channel. You will learn a lot and you will make money for 100% free. But for those that want to take it to the next level, those that want to have a little more access, to things, I have things for them that are, is a part of a separate service. But my Discord plays, we've been knocking it out the park. But this is the thing. Some of those plays that we, hit, we went up 5x, almost 6x on some of those plays. You have to remember, you want to secure, you don't have to. This is not financial advice, but I recommend you to secure your original investment with some of these plays. Now, if it's something that you put in a super small amount where you don't mind risking it, where it's like, it's $100 and you're like, man, I'm not tripping off that, then, fine. You can leave it, let it ride. If you don't want to take profits, that's cool. But if it's something that you put in, nobody ever went broke taking profits, y'all. Nobody ever went broke taking profits. So I know some of y'all like to only take out money when it's life-changing money, but, I like to see y'all secure y'all original investment so that way you can at least still go invest into new projects as well, just in case that project doesn't, continue to take off. Because, I see a lot of people get into these trades and they don't have any, they don't plan their trade. There's no, timeline. They don't have a profit target. They don't have anything planned out for that timeline of that trade. Remember, plan your trade and trade your plan. You want to plan out the trade first so that way you can know how long will I stay in this trade? When will I buy more? How much do I want to invest in it? When will I take profits? On a scale from 1 to 10, how confident am I in this project to determine how long you want to invest in the project? Those are things you need to know. And that's information I'm teaching y'all inside of these courses. Y'all should really be tapping in for that, man. Congratulations to all y'all that took, the initiative to get that. Noah Highlight said, honestly, you teach a lot on YouTube. I've learned so much just by watching your videos. I'm sure the course would have me rich. Shout out to you, the GOAT. So salute. I appreciate you, bro. Now, look at this. Think about all this free 99 information that I share for y'all on YouTube. Imagine what is inside of my course, y'all. I'm giving away this level of value for y'all for free. My course costs thousands of dollars. Imagine the amount of value that I have to put inside of there to make this worth it for my students. I'm literally going above and beyond. A lot of people, you learn in marketing to, under promise and over deliver, and that's exactly what I'm doing with that course. I'm not, making, I'm not saying you're going to become a millionaire overnight. I'm not saying you're going to make 6 figures your first day. I'm not making these false claims, but I'm telling y'all, the people who took this course and, they took it serious, they are doing very, very well. I have created multiple 6 and 7 figure earners through my courses. Yes, I have created millionaires as well. Not just people that are making 100,000, 200,000, 300,000. People that have made, my highest earning student has made just a little over $3 million. And I have other students that have made millions of dollars as well, just under that student. So this is not no cap, y'all. This is real life. You can go on my Instagram, look at my testimonials. I have even more testimonial videos for my students that I have not even uploaded yet. I just be very, very busy, but I will be uploading more testimonial videos for my students. I have more testimonials coming in back to back. You know what I'm saying? We really doing this over here. I really want to, teach y'all how to do this so that way y'all can get to a level of financial freedom. And once you get to a point where you understand this information and you can do this on your own, it is your responsibility to share this information with your family, with your friends. Each one teach one. I want to push this information out and get as many people involved in learning about investing as possible. It is our turn now. We missed out on this for too long. This stuff been going on for years. Some of us, some of y'all just finding out about this crypto space this year. I've known about crypto, but I haven't been involved into the crypto space for more than 5 years. Think about it. This has been going around for the last 10 years. And even stocks have been around even longer. But this is the type of stuff that we don't learn about. That's why, my goal is to knock these barriers down, hold the door open for y'all, get y'all in. That way y'all can learn as much as possible. Because think about it. No cap, y'all. I want y'all to listen to me real quick. The stuff I teach on my YouTube channel is course level information. People, just for what I teach y'all for free in my YouTube channel, People charge thousands and thousands of dollars for that free information, but I'm not like that. I really want y'all to learn something. I would prefer y'all to learn, be able to take what I can give y'all for free, eat off of that, learn to make more money, spread it around, and then when you're ready to come back, you can invest in the courses. That's why I give this information out for free. Most people do it like this. You don't get nothing until you buy the course. You don't get nothing. You don't get no information. You don't get no gems. I've been dropping. Go back. All you gotta do is go back through my videos. Go back to my last 50, 60 videos, and I'm dropping gem after gem after gem, thousands and thousands of dollars worth of information for y'all, absolutely free. Absolutely free, y'all. So somebody said you should teach virtual classes in Sandbox. That's coming soon, bro. No cap. I'm looking for a few investors that want to invest with me. Now, normally I don't make this opportunity, but I threw it out there. I have a few people that are already ready to invest to buy land with me in the Sandbox. We will be creating a university inside the metaverse. So if this is something that you're interested in, email me. I'm taking investors. There's a minimum of $10,000. You have to have a minimum amount of $10,000. Really, I'm looking at six figures or more. Really, because the land in the metaverse is not cheap, y'all. It's really not, especially for what we're going to be able to do with this, and the return we'll be able to get off this if we do it right. So I'm looking for investors that are serious, that understand real estate, understand investing, and want to be a part of something that can be very, very big. Don't let this opportunity pass you by if you're ready for it. If you're not ready for it, please, don't waste your time, because it's a lot to learn. I need those that are already have some form of understanding about it, and we'll get the rest going. But salute to buy land inside of the metaverse. That is the minimum. So I'm pulling together investors. We're going to buy land inside of the metaverse. If y'all don't know how valuable that is, if y'all don't know how much of an opportunity that is, y'all will learn soon. But those that know what I'm talking about and know what's up, get this money for real, y'all. We are ahead of the curve right now. You have to stay ahead of the curve. If you wait all the time until everybody else does something, you'll always be behind what's happening. So, those of y'all that are ready, tap in with me. We're going to make something shake. I got something, very, very, very exclusive and exciting to come. This metaverse is going to be big. I'm working with, celebrities as well on things. This is going to go crazy. Hey, if you don't like the channel, if you don't like what I'm doing, all you got to do is not come to the channel, man. That's it. I ain't never scammed nobody in my life. And I'm only saying this because somebody said, sounded more like a scammer. This is Kyer. Who said that? Let me see. Let me call you out so I can remember your name. Kyer Andonov. Hey, bro, you just don't understand, and that's okay. That's perfectly fine. I'm not upset at you for that. But be careful when you say things like that, because you gotta stay on that side now. Now you gotta stay on that side. Now I don't even want you rocking with me. Because one thing I will never do is scam, finesse, do anything like that. Y'all my people, those that have been rocking with me, some of y'all might be new to my channel, but for y'all that have been rocking with me longer than that, y'all know I have a private investment community on Facebook where I've been teaching for over a year before I started my YouTube channel. And nobody has ever been scammed by me. I've never finessed anybody, never taken any money from anyone. All I do is provide value. I don't have to. I already make money, bro. I'm good already. You know what I'm saying? That's why I give away so much information for free. I'm straight. You know what I'm saying? So, but just remember that, though. You got to stay on that side, bro. No, I'm not feeding him. I just want to, let him know that I know who he is, so that way he can't come back once he makes a lot of money off my information, trying to be like, oh, bro, I always believed in you, always knew. I'm like, nah, man, I remember when you said that crazy stuff that one time, man. But salute to everybody else for rocking with me, though. Salute. Somebody else had been learning about from this guy watching YouTube. Salute. Appreciate y'all, man. Shout out to all y'all. Shout out to all y'all that's rocking with me, man. We are about to make so much money. Hey, guess what? Sheeb is nowhere near done. If y'all have been buying those dips up like I told y'all, y'all have been making a lot of money. Y'all have to listen in the videos. I have to say, inside these videos, I got to say this is not financial advice because I'm not a licensed financial advisor. But I'm y'all guy from, YouTube that's letting y'all know, do your due diligence. If I say do your due diligence, that means do your due diligence. If you hear me say I'm in a project, that means I'm in the project. That does not mean you just go FOMO in. It means go do your research, because something I've seen about it, I like the project, so you should see if you like the project. Now, this is the difference between me and a lot of people that jump in some of these projects and expect to hit a home run ASAP. This is what I do. I never risk more than I'm willing to lose. I never risk more than I'm willing to lose. I only put in an amount that if it gets wiped away, I'll be perfectly fine. That's how I can diamond hand so long. Some of y'all be like, how do you, it went down to this. How were you able to, were you not worried about it? Did you not get afraid? Did you not get scared? How did you not get shaken out? Because I only put in what I was willing to lose. I'm not just saying that in the video. I'm not just saying it to be saying it for my help. Some of y'all are trying to knock it out the park, and y'all trying to double bubble, and basically trying to make a lot of money in a little bit of time. And that's how the market will finesse you. You have to only put in what you're willing to lose. So that way, when you see it pull back, if it has a retracement or a correction, you don't get shaken out. Now let's say if you bought the dip at the right time, you set a limit you put a limit order just perfectly. Hey, salute for that $20. I appreciate you, bro. Shout out to the that $5 as well that came through on the super chat. Hey, I appreciate you. Salute. But I only put in what I'm, willing to lose, because look, let me put y'all on game. That way, if you say this, look, say if you're willing to lose 500 all day, right? Not saying like you of course 500 is money to us, but let's say that would not hurt you. Say you put in the 500, right, and it drops down to 300. Most people, if that $500 is more than they're willing to lose, they would get shaken out right there. They would give up their position and get tricked out of their spot right there because they seen that correction. I'm trying to tell y'all, only put in what you're willing to lose, so that way when you see that 500 go down to 300, you're like, that's nothing. Or even if it's $100, put in 100, and even if you see that 100 go down to, $70 or $60, you're like, that's cool. I'm not worried about it, because that's what will normally happen. The market makers, as soon as people identify it's a good time to buy, the market makers will try to pull those people out, basically trigger your stop losses, drop the price, because some people are trading leverage. So a lot of y'all don't understand this right now yet, but y'all will. A lot of people are trading what's called leverage. Leverage is where your exchange borrows you extra money unless you trade with more money than you actually have. So let's say this. Let's say if you're trading with $1,000, right? Some exchanges might give you 25x leverage. So if you have $1,000 in, they might give you $25,000 to trade with. But guess what? Since you're using leverage, you have to keep a certain amount in that balance. If your balance drops below a certain point, you will get liquidated. You will get wiped out of your position. They will close out your position, and now you basically lost your money. So that's what is happening to a lot of people. When you see the chart go the chart's going up, it hits a resistance level, and it's coming down to test one of those supports. Notice when it holds a support and it wicks down really quick, and goes right back up. That's what that was doing. All that quick flash down and go back up, that was to wipe out all the traders that are using leverage. So that way they're in the hole now. So that's why you have to be patient sometimes, because the market makers they're toasting everybody. They trying to toast as many people as they can. You know what I'm saying? They trying to get as much as people's money off the table as they can. So those people trading leverage, they gonna wipe them out. You know what I'm saying? If they didn't